Welcome back, book lovers. Michelle Mahoney here. Today I was going to bring you along to help me pack some orders. Thank you for watching me pack those orders. Now, I have been asked the question, how many orders do I get a week? I would say right now I'm actually on a good flow. I usually get maybe 3 to 4 orders per week, which for me, that's pretty good. I'm not always on there posting. I'm not constantly on there. But that is a goal of mine. You know, starting this September, I really want to make it more active and make sure that I'm on there a lot. So something I'm doing is once a week, I'm going on and I'm making sale days. And so you can come on and catch a really good sale and then get a lot more books for a lesser amount, but still great value. So there's some different things that I'm trying out. And, you know, it's kind of trial and error when you have your online bookshop. You have to do things the way that you feel like it's best, and then it's just a lot of trial and error. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying also to at least post books once per week. Sometimes I do it every day, but I definitely think at least posting them once a week will give me that consistency to make sure that I'm always having new inventory in my shop, because I also read every week. So after I'm done a book, I can definitely go ahead and post my inventory. Right now, I think Wednesdays are going to be the best day for me to do that. So you can count on every Wednesday, I'm going to go to my shop and upload, you know, at least 2 or 3 books, hopefully more, depending on the donations that come in. And then that way it's a great day to get the inventory in there. And also Wednesday will probably be my sale day. And sometimes I like to throw them in on the weekends as well, because when people are just kind of hanging out and they're bored. So right now, that's kind of my plan of what I'm doing. And if you are interested in looking at my shop to see what I have, definitely check the description down below. And please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you want to see more content like this. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.